Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's FB-OGBENNA here again, and in today's video I'm going to be making lightning body scrub. If that's what you're interested in, please do keep on watching. So some of the ingredients we'll be needing for this scrub is coconut oil, vitamin E oil, essential oil, which I have lavender oil there, and then 2 medium-sized carrots, lemon. So first thing I do is clean my carrots and chop it into tiny bits, then transfer it into a pot, pour a cup of water to allow it cook. I'm going to cook this is it after cooking for like 5 minutes, and we need to blend this. Transfer it to my blender, pour 1 cup of water to help blend. This is it after blending. So I'll transfer what we have inside the blender into a bowl. So this is all I got after blending. So next I sieve out the juice from the carrots because we don't need the juice for this procedure. So I set the juice aside. So for this procedure we also need honey, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then I squeeze out the juice from half a lemon. Then I mix everything together. So next I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar. I still continue mixing. For this procedure, I'm using white granulated sugar, but if you have brown sugar or salt, you can use whatever you have, and that will be fine. Next, I'm adding more sugar to get the consistency I want. I don't want it too thick, neither do I want it too watery. So you can add more sugar or more salt till you get the consistency you want. Then continue mixing. So next, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, and then my essential oil, which is lavender oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This is just to add fragrance to our scrub, nothing much, but you can also do without this. Remember I said earlier you can add more sugar to get it till you get the consistency you want. So I'm still adding more sugar till I get the consistency I want. And that is all. So I'll be transferring my scrub into an empty container for storage. So you can use the scrub 1 to 3 times in a week, and you can also store this in the fridge. But after a month, whatever you have left should be discarded. So guys, I've come to the end of our video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.